For so long we've been told the path to financial freedom is simple. Save more, spend less, and work until you're 65. But what if there was another way? A more direct, even provocative path to making as much money as you damn well want, and living life exactly how you damn well please. Today, we're tearing open Dan Lok's explosive book, FU Money, to uncover the secrets to true financial liberation. Ever wondered how some people seem to make money effortlessly and live life completely on their own terms? Today, we're diving deep into Dan Lok's controversial, yet incredibly insightful book, FU Money. This isn't just about saving pennies. It's about a complete paradigm shift in how you view money, value, and your own capabilities. We're going to explore the core philosophies and actionable strategies Dan Lok lays out for achieving true financial independence. So buckle up, because this journey might just change the way you think about wealth forever. So, who is Dan Lok, and why should we listen to him? Dan Lok is not your typical finance guru. He's a self-made multimillionaire, a global educator, and a serial entrepreneur who went from being a broke immigrant to building a business empire. His story is one of struggle, failure, and ultimate triumph. He often says he failed at 13 businesses before finding success. This real-world experience is what makes his advice so raw and powerful. The philosophy behind FU Money isn't about being arrogant or disrespectful. It's about having enough money to say FU to anything that compromises your values, your time, or your happiness. It's the power to walk away from a toxic job, to fire a terrible client, or to take a year off to travel the world without worrying about the bills. It's about ultimate control and freedom of choice, which is a radical departure from the traditional work, save, retire model we're all taught. Now let's get into the core concepts of the book. The first and most critical pillar is what Dan Lok calls high-income skills. Forget about minimum wage or a fixed annual salary. A high-income skill is a skill that can earn you $10,000 a month or more, regardless of the economy. These aren't necessarily academic degrees. They are practical, in-demand skills like copywriting, high-ticket closing, digital marketing, or public speaking. Think about it. A great copywriter can write an email that generates millions in sales for a company. That skill is incredibly valuable. A master salesperson can close a deal that brings in hundreds of thousands of dollars. The company is more than happy to pay them a significant commission. The beauty of a high-income skill is that it's portable. It puts you in control of your income, and it can be scaled. It's the engine that powers your wealth creation journey. Next, let's talk about the FU number. This is one of the most powerful ideas in the book. Your FU number is the specific amount of money you need to have invested, generating passive income, so that you can live your desired lifestyle forever without ever having to work again. It's not some vague goal like, I want to be rich. It's a concrete, calculated figure. To find your number, you first need to define your ideal lifestyle in detail. How much does it cost per month? Let's say your dream life costs $10,000 a month, or $120,000 a year. Then, assuming a conservative annual return on your investments, say 5%, you can calculate your FU number. In this case, you would divide your annual expenses by your expected return rate. So, 120,000 divided by 0.05 equals $2.4 million. That's your target. Having this specific number transforms a fuzzy dream into a clear, achievable goal. It's your financial finish line. But how do you reach that number without working for 40 years? This brings us to the concept of leverage. Dan Lok emphasizes that you can't get rich by trading your own time for money. There are only 24 hours in a day. To build massive wealth, you need to use leverage. There are three main types. First, human leverage, or what he calls with other people's time. This means building a team and delegating tasks. As an entrepreneur, you should focus only on the highest value activities that you do best, and hire others to do the rest. Finally, none of this is possible without a fundamental mindset shift. You have to move from an employee of scarcity mindset to an entrepreneur of wealth mindset. An employee waits to be told what to do, worries about job security, and sees their income as capped. An entrepreneur seeks out problems to solve, creates their own security, and sees their income potential as limitless. A scarcity mindset sees money as a limited resource to be hoarded. A wealth mindset sees money as an abundant tool, a byproduct of the value you create for others. This shift is crucial. It means taking 100% responsibility for your financial future, embracing calculated risks, and continuously investing in yourself. It means understanding that failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to success. You have to believe that you are worthy and capable of achieving financial freedom before you can take the actions required to get there. So, how can you actually start applying these principles in your own life? It starts with a simple, actionable plan. First, identify a potential high-income skill. Ask yourself, what are businesses willing to pay a premium for? What skills align with my interests and strengths? Research skills like sales, copywriting, content creation, or consulting. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one. Then, dedicate yourself to mastering it. Find a mentor, buy courses, read books, and most importantly, practice. Your goal is to get so good that people are willing to pay you well for your expertise. You can start by offering your services for free or at a low cost to build a portfolio and testimonials. As your skill and confidence grow, so will your prices. Once you start increasing your income with your high-income skill, you need a financial freedom blueprint. This is your personal roadmap to your FU number. First, calculate that number, just like we discussed. Be realistic, but don't be afraid to dream big. Next, create a plan to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. This involves a simple but powerful strategy. Earn more, save more, and invest more. Use your high-income skill to dramatically increase your earning potential. As your income grows, aggressively save and invest the difference. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Instead of buying a new car, invest that money into assets that generate passive income, like stocks, real estate, or your own business. Track your progress regularly. Seeing your net worth grow and your passive income increase will keep you motivated to stay on track. Perhaps the biggest obstacle on this journey isn't a lack of information, but the battle within our own minds. Overcoming fear and limiting beliefs is essential. We've all been conditioned with beliefs like money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy, or the most common one, I'm not good enough. Dan Lok's philosophy forces you to confront these beliefs head-on. You need to reframe your thinking. Money is not evil. It's a tool that can be used for good. It can provide for your family, support causes you care about, and give you the freedom to live a full life. You have to start telling yourself a new story. A story where you are capable, where you are deserving of wealth, and where you are in control of your destiny. One practical way to do this is to surround yourself with people who uplift you and who are on a similar path. Join masterminds, attend seminars, and consume content that reinforces a wealth mindset. To wrap it all up, the message of FU Money is incredibly empowering. It's a wake-up call to stop passively accepting your financial fate and to start actively designing it. The core takeaways are simple but profound. First, stop trading time for money and start developing a high-income skill that puts you in control of your earnings. Second, get crystal clear on your destination by calculating your FU number. This turns a vague wish into a concrete target. Third, leverage other people's time, technology, and capital to accelerate your journey to wealth. And finally, all of this must be built on the foundation of a wealth mindset, taking full responsibility and believing in your own potential. This book isn't just about getting rich, it's about having the power of choice. The choice to work on projects you love, the choice to spend your time with people you care about, and the choice to live life on your own terms. That is the true meaning of FU Money. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Start by identifying one high-income skill you can begin learning today. And I'm curious, what's your FU number? Calculating it is the first step toward making it a reality. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more content that helps you build a life of freedom and abundance. See you in the next one.